Here we will see the graph of cot x. We know y is equal to cot x. Y is equal to cot x and cot x is equal to cos x upon sin x. And this cot x is defined only if sin x is not equal to 0. And sin x is not equal to 0 means x should not be equal to integral multiple of y where n is a set of integers. Integers are 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2 and so on. And therefore domain of cot x is x such that x is real number, but x should not be equal to n pi, n belong to z. And range, set of images, when we give the input this domain element from this domain, therefore the set of images means range is equal to our set of real numbers. This we have already know. Now we will see the values, how the values of varies. We can see from the unit circle. Here let this be a unit circle. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. This is 0 because radius is 1, so coordinate is 1 comma 0, 0 comma 1, and this point minus 1 comma 0 and 0 comma minus 1. These values are of sine and cosine. These values of sine 0, 1, 0 and minus 1 and 0. And first coordinate is of the values of cos x, as we know. Now see, at 0 degree we go in the anti-clockwise direction. Now here cot x is cos x upon sin x. At 0 degree this value is 0 and this value is cos 0 is 1, sin 0 is 0. So the value will be undefined, infinity. And here cos is 0, this, so value is 0. So the value will decrease here in the first quadrant, and cot x is positive here, but infinity to 0 it will decrease this point. Now here in the second quadrant cot x is a negative, the value is a negative here, but here 0, but value is negative and undefined. Pi, cos pi upon sin pi, now it will be negative like tan x, but decrease 0 to minus, it will decrease. Now see here in the third quadrant cot is positive, so here positive means plus infinity and here 0, so value again decrease. Here in the fourth quadrant this is positive. In fourth quadrant cot is a negative and here 0 and here minus infinity, so value will decrease from 0 to minus infinity, so again decrease. Now if we go in this direction the value will increase, opposite to decrease is increase, so value will increase. This is 0, this angle will be minus pi by 2 in this direction, this will be minus pi, this will be minus 3 pi by 2 and this is minus 2 pi. Here in this direction after completing Here it will complete one revolution, and in the direction anticlockwise, here is the one complete revolution. Now we will draw the graph. Now we will draw here the graph. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. These are the points 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. And each part is of 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, and so on. Now see in the domain, cot x is x belong to real number, and x is not equal to or integral multiple of pi, means n is a integer, 0 plus minus 1. So at 0 degree, 0 radian, 1 radian, 1 pi radian, 2 pi radian, 3 pi radian, and so on. Means 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi. The cot x is not defined. So at this point, and at this point, here the dotted lines are drawn. These lines, the cot x is a this function is not, cot x is not defined. Now we will start from 0 degree here. The value of cot x is decreasing from infinity to 0. From this means 0 to pi by 2, from this to this 90 degree. So this will not touch the y-axis, but decrease like this, decrease. And then from 90 degree, pi by 2 to pi, the value is decreasing from 0 to minus infinity. So 0 to minus infinity like this. This is infinity and this is minus infinity. So these values complete the set of a real number, set of images from infinity, here 0 value, and then minus infinity, the set of the real number. Now see, from pi to, from pi to here, this is pi and 3 pi by 2. The value is infinity to 0, again decreasing infinity to 0. So pi to 3 pi by 2, again like this, decreasing like this, and then 0 to minus infinity. So this will 0 to minus infinity, will not touch this line, So graph will be like this. So we can see the graph is like this, then the graph is like this. Now from this is the complete revolution, and then if we go further after complete revolution, 2 pi to in this direction, again infinity to 0, we are going in the anti-clockwise direction here. So again we infinity to 0, so we again like this. Now we go in the clockwise direction from here, 0 to minus pi by 2. The value is minus infinity to 0. The value will here value will decrease, here the value will increase, minus infinity to 0, means increasing from minus infinity to 0. This is the minus infinity. So value will go like this, increase like this up to minus pi by 2, and then minus pi by 2 to minus pi. From this point to this, the value is increasing from 0 to infinity, 0 to infinity like this. So this will not touch this line. So this graph is also like the previous one. This curve is again like this. Now we are here, minus pi is here, then we revolve in this direction. Now minus pi to minus 3 pi, from this to this, minus infinity to 0. Minus infinity to 0 means this to this, means this is minus infinity, increasing like this, and then minus this from 0 to infinity. Again this will complete like this. So these are the graph of these are the curves of the tangent. Now see here, uh, this complete part, this complete in this curve, the values are repeating. This is infinity, this is minus infinity, this is minus infinity, this is plus infinity, this is minus infinity. So this will complete the set of real numbers. This again complete. The values are repeating. Values are repeating. Now see here, this part is 90 degree, this part. So the total value is 180 degree, 180 degree, 180 degree, 180. 90 plus 90, 180. 90 plus 90. It means after 180 degree, the value of cot x repeats. Therefore, period of cot x is pi, or we can say 180 degree like a tangent x. So this is the graph of cot x.